Hello friends. Today we'll be sharing with you 7 important things you should know before starting Forex trading. Forex trading has been incredibly popular in the world of online trading. It is a global marketplace where people exchange currencies against other national currencies. In learning how to start this type of trading, there are plenty of tutorials and information online since this is how you gain more knowledge through self-directed training rather than going to formal lessons. You also gain an advantage the more you have experience. Before you dive into the world of Forex trading, there are 7 things you should know first. 1. You would need lots of patience. Going for Forex trading won't instantly elevate your financial status higher up the ladder. In fact, there would be a lot of trial and error in the beginning and you should expect that you will lose along the way. Consider every situation as banking into your future, and with lots of patience and determination, you would be able to familiarize yourself more with the system and how it works. This is not for people who are expecting to gain easy money swiftly, but for people who would like to learn and grow with stability promised in the long run. Set realistic goals and work on attaining smaller ones first, including the mastery of the technicalities, jargon, and even reading the world economy from which you base the worth of the currencies you trade. 2. You need to invest. Just like with any form of investment in any industry, you need to start with a specific amount as an initial investment. The most important thing is getting equipped with the right knowledge of Forex trading for beginners so you have a guide along the process. The bigger investment you will make is on the time and effort you put into learning and researching. The great thing about Forex trading is that you can start on the lower end in order to make sure that you don't risk too much. 3. Prioritize learning along the way. Personal development is the prized end game of Forex trading. You start in humble beginnings and you would start only with what you have researched and taught. Most of the things you should know will be learned by doing the trade hands-on. There is no shortcut. When you earn, you have to take note of the circumstances which led to it, including the decisions you made and the other factors that contributed to the success. If you lose, look into everything that you did wrong and do not get demotivated. Instead, you should take this as a learning opportunity and start over again with an improved system and strategy. 4. Trading in the modern world. Everything in the modern world is automated and fast. With the various tools you can use to make your trading more systematic, you do not have to settle for outdated methods and manual trading which are just time-consuming. With modern tools, you get to be more consistent with the results easily. 5. Accept challenges. You are going to discover new things as you learn Forex trading, and you have to make sure that you accept every challenge and test your newly acquired knowledge. This trading is more of an application than theory. Testing out different theories and strategies is one of the most desirable traits in trading. 6. You are likely going to work alone. You gain full independence when you go into Forex trading. You wouldn't need to be employed as long as you find a reliable and legitimate broker online. All the learning, decision-making, and strategies you would need will solely be your call. In order to do this, you need to build confidence through learning from your experiences and constantly proving that your system works through constant testing and retesting. 7. Track every single trade. Keep a journal of every single trade you incur. This is not just to document your journey but to learn from past mistakes and successes. It is a great reference for when you are unable to make a decision given similar situations. Whatever is the result of a particular trade, track them and make sure you list all the important details so you can review them later and make an assessment or diagnostic. There are so many things you need to learn before you can go for Forex trading, but you can easily learn all of this with enough determination and patience. Value each trading experience and take time to analyze all the results. Learn to take calculated risks because each challenge you surpass can give you more valuable knowledge in this kind of trading. Subscribe to my channel for you to be updated when I upload the next amazing video. In the next video I will review some of my secrets trading strategy which successful traders are hiding from the masses.